Turn the power switch off before replacing the needle. Turn the hand wheel towards you until needles are fully raised. Use the needle inserter and screwdriver. There is storage in the looper cover. Insert the needle to the hole on the other side of the brush. Using the small screwdriver, loosen the needle set screw and remove the needles. Use a regular household sewing machine needle. Place the new needle flat side toward the back into the hole of the needle inserter. And insert the needle as far as possible into the needle clamp. Then tighten the set screw. There's a magnet needle tray on the left side of the top of the sewing machine. You can place the needle you have changed on this tray.